So thank you all for being able to join Zoom on such a short notice and from so many different time zones. That's much appreciated. So I'm just gonna admit one more person to the meeting, and then we will start. Yeah, 2 seconds.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yep.
Sound is good?
Hi. Yes.
Yeah.
Very good, because I have something important to say. My name is Annelin Eriksen. I'm the president of the Norwegian Academy of Science and Letters. And it is my pleasure to tell you that our board has just decided that you are the 2026 Kavli Prize laureates in nanoscience.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Let me read the citation for you. So you win the prize.
Thank you. Sorry, I was muted. Thank you. This is so great. Oh, wow.
Congratulations. Let me read the citation for you. You received the prize for the foundational work that established the field of twistronics. So can you each take turns and give me your reaction to the news?
Let me go first. So since I'm the oldest, it's wonderful to have this topic, which has been so surprising, recognized. And, I think your committee has done a wonderful job of picking 3 very good representatives of this topic. I think you did very, very well. And I'm thrilled to be included.
Eva, you go next.
So this is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, and to the committee. And of course, this is the work of many, many people. But I guess the 3 of us were kind of in the very beginning when this was completely ignored initially. In 2008, I started. So this is amazing. And to see how the field has grown and exploded, and how many different things one can do with twisting. And this is a wonderful recognition. Thank you.
Yeah, let me just add, it's a real honor and more so to receive this with 2 very good friends, with Alan and Eva. We as I always tell people, on to work on the shoulders of giants, it's much easier, and to have share this recognition with Eva and Alan is fantastic. I have to say, Eric, that your email was very sneaky. I asked ChatGPT, what does this email say? What does it mean? And it tells me, oh, I think it's something honorable, but you definitely did not get the prize. So I'm glad to have proven ChatGPT wrong. This is really great. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, if this wasn't a Zoom call, I'd give you all a hug. What a thrill.
Yeah,
that's right. Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah.
Very good. Many congratulations.